Thank you for purchasing FlowTec Premium, Caltech's latest addition to our premium grouting and paving range of products. Available in mid-grey and charcoal, FlowTec Premium is a high-performance, high-strength, rapid-setting flowable grout. With 2 years in research, testing and development, we have utilised the most modern, cementitious, admixture and polymer technologies currently available. This means that FlowTec Premium is the most modern, innovative flowable grout currently available in the market. FlowTec Premium can be used on most types of pavements, including natural stone, porcelain, concrete, cobbles, sets, slabs and clay pavers. And most importantly, it exceeds the strict criteria set out in British Standard 7533. Tools required. You will require a sturdy mixing tub, a measuring jug, a drill and whisk or paddle blender, a neoprene squeegee, a garden hose with a spray nozzle, a wash boy and sponge float or an electric grout sponge cleaning machine. PPE required. You will require a dust mask, safety goggles and some gloves. Prior to starting, ensure your paved area is clean, free from dust, debris, oil and grease, loose particles or any other contaminants that may affect adhesion. The entire area should be pre-soaked and the face of your paving units must remain wet during the entire grouting process. This is especially true on warmer days where rapid evaporation can occur. All joints must be free from standing or pooled water prior to grouting. A 25 kilo bag of FlowTec Premium requires the addition of 4.25 litres of clean water. Add your water to your mixing tub, followed by a full bag of FlowTec Premium. Mix for 3 to 5 minutes with your drill and whisk or paddle blender until you achieve a lump-free creamy consistency. Smaller quantities can be mixed using pro rata measures of the above quantities. Pour your prepared grout onto the area to be grouted. With your neoprene squeegee, spread the grout over all your joints. This process should be repeated after 5 minutes, ensuring joints are fully topped up after initial slumping and settlement has taken place. At this stage, as much excess grout residue as possible should be removed from the face of your paving. Apply stiff pressure with your neoprene squeegee diagonally across the joints, ensuring not to drag the grout from the joints. The entire surface must be kept constantly moist during the setting up period, with periodic wetting with a soft spray misting of water from garden hose. After each misting, it is very important to remove any remaining excess residual grout from the face of your paving units, using stiff pressure with your neoprene squeegee. This is especially true when grouting heavily textured or highly porous paving units. This process will greatly aid your final clean-up process. When the grout is sufficiently hardened, you can now clean any remaining grout from the face of your paving units with a garden hose, sponge float and wash boy or an electric grout sponge cleaning machine. The formulation of this product eliminates the need for the use of a power washer for final clean-up, as a high pressure wash off may affect the integrity of the joints. It is crucial that no grout or residue is left to dry or set on the face of your paving units, as this will prove stubborn to remove later. This is especially true of heavily textured or highly porous paving units. Initial setting time is directly linked to temperature, surface temperature of the paving units and site conditions, and will vary from 20 minutes on warm days to over an hour on cold days. Higher temperatures accelerate setting time, lower temperatures retard setting times. FlowTec Premium will accept foot traffic after 2 hours and light vehicular traffic after 12 hours, temperature dependent.